Okay, so Stormy Weather, this is E flat, the 11th fret, and the triangle means just get your clump, all natural. And then C7 is C dominant. So here's my C. This is the dominant chord, flat 7th, and then I'm adding a flat 9 here. 9th is here, flat 9th here. And F minor, so minor means flat 3rd, flat the 7th. There's my clump, flat on both. And then B flat, 7 means, again, dominant, flat the 7th. G minor, here's the G, flat the 3rd and the 7th. Here's the C, flat the 7th, and add a flat 9. F minor again down here, flat the 3rd and the 7th. And then F minor 7th with B flat in the bass just means hit that B flat, play the chord again. Then there's a G, minor means flat the 3rd and the 7th. F sharp is the root note, and then the 7th looks like a dominant. And then F is a minor, flat 3rd and the 7th. And then the B flat plus 7 is the same thing as a B flat 7th with a sharped 5. So here's B flat, here's my dominant chord, and I'm going to sharp the 5. If I want, I can put that written on top. So that first part is E flat, C, 7 flat 9, F minor, B flat, G minor, C7 flat 9, F minor 7th with a B flat in the bass, G minor, F sharp 7, F minor 7, and then B flat sharp 5. Cool. Goes again. A flat, C7, this time with a sharp 9. So instead of doing this here, we're sharping the 9. F minor 7th, B flat 7 with a flat 9. B flat, here's the dominant with a flat 9. E flat major, clump. Here's the C7 with a flat 9. F minor 7th, B flat dominant. G minor, C dominant with a flat 9. F minor with a B flat in the bass. And then G minor, flat 7, flat 3. F7, that's F7 dominant. F minor, flat 3rd and 7th. And B flat plus 7, which is the same as B flat 7 with a sharp 5. So dominant with a sharp 5. And back to E flat. And here we had an A7, A dominant with a flat 9. Here's an A flat major 7th, A flat triangle. Oh, just a clump. A flat circle, or A circle 7 is A. And remember, for half diminished, we moved all the notes down, and for fully diminished, you move that 7th down one more. So it's for this E flat over B flat, it's just a regular E flat triad, you know, like this, with a B flat in the bass. And that's that whole section. A flat diminished, E flat dominant, A flat, A diminished, E flat, and C minor, G minor, C minor, F dominant, and then B flat with a flat 9, and it goes all again. That's it. It's also on E flat, C7 flat 9, F, B flat dominant, G minor, flat 9, F9 with a B flat, G minor, F sharp dominant, F minor, B flat, sharp 5, and E flat. C sharp 9, flat 9, E flat, C flat 9, F minor, B flat 7, G minor, C7 flat 9, F minor with B flat in the bass, F sharp, F minor. Now A flat major, A dominant, E flat with a B, A flat, A diminished, E flat, A flat, A diminished, E flat, C minor, G minor, C minor, F7.